Welcome to Learning Adda. Today, we'll solve an IBPSPO Prelims Previous Year English Language paper. Let's jump in. Question 1. Arrange these sentences into a meaningful paragraph. In all, this cycle repeats several times during a typical night's sleep. Human sleep is divided into REM and non-REM stages. Whereas comparatively non-REM sleep includes stages of deep, restorative rest. During REM sleep, dreams are most vivid and brain activity is high. Each stage plays a vital role in physical and mental recovery. Option A, B, A, D, C, A. Option B, B, D, C, E, A. Option C, B, D, C, A, E. Option D, D, C, B, E, A. Option E, E, A, E, 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 D. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B, B, D, C, E, A. The order is B, D, C, E, A. B introduces the two sleep stages. D explains REM sleep, and C contrasts it with non-REM sleep. He then states why both stages matter. A closes the paragraph because this cycle refers to the sequence just described. Question 2. Arrange these sentences into a meaningful paragraph. Many users share personal data without realizing the consequences. This can lead to identity theft and targeted surveillance. Internet privacy is a growing concern in the digital age. Companies often collect and store user information for various purposes. Therefore, users must take steps to protect their online identity. Option A, C, D, A, B, E. Option B, A, D, B, C, E. Option C, B, D, A, C, E. Option D, D, A, C, B, E. Option E, E, A, E, D. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A, C, D, A, B, E. The order is C, D, A, B, E. C introduces internet privacy as the topic. D explains that companies collect data, and A adds that users also share it unknowingly. B gives the resulting dangers. E is the conclusion because, therefore, introduces the protective action users should take. Question 3. Arrange these sentences into a meaningful paragraph. Oceans absorb a significant amount of the Earth's heat. This heat absorption regulates global climate and weather patterns. These changes highlight the link between oceans and climate change. Warmer oceans disrupt marine ecosystems and intensify storms. However, excess heat is causing ocean temperatures to rise. Option A, B, D, A, C, E. Option B, A, C, B, D, E. Option C, B, A, D, C, E. Option D, A, B, E, D, C. Option E, E, A, E, D. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D, A, B, E, D, C. The order is A, B, E, D, C. A introduces ocean heat absorption, and B explains its normal climate role. E uses, however, to turn toward excessive warming. D gives the consequences of warmer oceans, while C summarizes their connection with climate change. Question 4. Arrange these sentences into a meaningful paragraph. On one hand, Reading enhances vocabulary. It improves concentration and strengthens language skills. Developing a regular reading habit has multiple cognitive benefits. On the other hand, in a world of distractions, reading offers a focused mental exercise. These advantages make reading an essential lifelong habit. Option A, C, A, B, D, E. Option B, A, C, B, D, E. Option C, C, B, A, D, E. Option D, C, A, D, B, E. Option E, E, A, E, 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 D. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A, C, A, B, D, E. The order is C, A, B, D, E. C announces the cognitive benefits of reading. A begins one side of the discussion, and B develops that same benefit. D completes the on one hand, on the other hand structure. E concludes because these advantages points back to all the benefits. Question 5. Choose the only sentence that is grammatically and contextually correct. Option A. The Indian Ocean is strategically important for global trade and shipping. Option B. Front-running involves illegal trading based on non-public information above transactions. Option C. The Marrakech Agreement focuses on global climate action since sustainable development. Option D. Black bucks are graceful antelopes found primarily in the Indian subcontinent. Option E. None are correct. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A. The Indian Ocean is strategically important for global trade and shipping. A is the only error-free sentence. B needs information about transactions, not above transactions. C needs and sustainable development, not sins. D needs found primarily or primarily found, not find primarily. Question 6. Choose the only sentence that is grammatically and contextually correct. Option A. Patachitra painting is an ancient Indian art form known for storytelling. Option B. Critical minerals is essential for technology, energy, and industrial applications worldwide. Option C. Drip pricing adds extra charges to advertising prices, deceiving consumers. Option D. Migration affects economies, creating opportunities and challenges to both regions. Option E. None are correct. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A. Patachitra painting is an ancient Indian art form known for storytelling. A is grammatically complete and factually coherent. B needs the plural verb are. C should refer to extra charges added to advertised prices, not advertising prices. D needs challenges for both regions, not to both regions. Question 7. Choose the only sentence that is grammatically and contextually correct. Option A. Sailfin catfish is freshwater fish with distinctive fins and vibrant coloration. Option B. Meitei Sagol is a traditional breeds of horse in Manipur. Option C. Foot rot disease affects livestock, causing pain, lameness, and productive loss. Option D. Areca nut is widely consumed across Asia for its stimulant properties. Option E. None are correct. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D. Areca nut is widely consumed across Asia for its stimulant properties. D is the only sentence that needs no correction. A requires the article a before freshwater fish. B needs the singular phrase, a traditional breed. C should say production loss or loss of productivity, not productive loss. Question 8. Choose the only sentence that is grammatically and contextually correct. Option A. Bhishn Cube is an intricate puzzle challenge logical thinking and strategy. Option B. India VIX measured market volatility and investor sentiment in Indian markets. Option C. The paradox of thrift suggests saving most would harm economic growth. Option D. The Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, enabling global trade. Option E. None are correct. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D. The Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, enabling global trade. D forms a complete, natural sentence. A needs a puzzle challenging logical thinking. B needs the present tense verb measures. C should say saving more because the comparison concerns increased saving, not saving the greatest amount. Read the office passage carefully. In a healthy office environment, it is important that senior employees blank A guidance and support to their juniors. Newcomers often feel blank B when trying to understand their roles and responsibilities. A helpful senior can blank C the learning process by sharing experiences and providing useful tips. This not only builds confidence but also blank D stronger team relationships. When juniors feel respected and blank E, they are more likely to contribute effectively. Hence, mutual cooperation and mentorship are blank F for maintaining a productive workplace. Question 9. Which of the following word best fits in blank K? Option A. Demand. Option B. Growth. Option C. Offer. Option D. Review. Option E. Wait. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option C, offer. Senior employees provide help to newcomers, so they offer guidance and support. The verb fits naturally with both objects and establishes the supportive tone of the passage. Question 10. Which of the following word best fits in blank B? Option A, nervous. Option B, lazy. Option C, empty. Option D, anxiety. Option E, complete. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A, nervous. The structure, fill blank, requires an adjective describing the newcomer's emotional state. Nervous fits because uncertainty about a new role commonly causes unease. Anxiety is a noun, and the other options do not suit the context. Question 11. Which of the following word best fits in blank C? Option A, delay. Option B, confuse. Option C, recruit. Option D, guess. Option E, speed. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option E, speed. Sharing experience makes learning faster, so a helpful senior can speed the learning process. Delay and confuse reverse the intended benefit, while recruit and guess do not combine meaningfully with the process. Question 12. Which of the following word best fits in blank D? Option A, blocks. Option B, pursues. Option C, fulfilled. Option D, fosters. Option E, integrate. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D, fosters. The sentence describes mentorship creating healthier relationships. Fosters means encourages or nurtures. It agrees with the singular subject this and forms the natural expression fosters stronger team relationships. Question 13. Which of the following word best fits in blank key? Option A, adhered. Option B, welcomed. Option C, tired. Option D, regulated. Option E, restricted. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B, welcomed. Respected and welcomed forms a balanced pair of positive feelings. A junior who feels accepted by the team is more likely to participate confidently, which completes the cause and effect idea. Question 14. Which of the following word best fits in blank F? Option A, critical. Option B, nominal. Option C, analytical. Option D, accrual. Option E, minimal. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A, critical. The conclusion says cooperation and mentorship are essential to a productive workplace. Critical carries that meaning of extreme importance. The other words suggest something minor, analytical, accumulated, or minimal. Question 15. Recent space relentless highlight humanity's breakthroughs pursuit of cosmic knowledge, propelling us toward a future of exploration and discovery. Option A, swap B with C, and swap A with D. Option B, swap A with B. Option C, swap C with D. Option D, swap A with C, and swap B with D. Option E, no interchange required. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B, swap A with B. Swap A and B. The corrected opening is, recent space breakthroughs highlight humanity's relentless pursuit of cosmic knowledge. Space breakthroughs names the achievements, while relentless pursuit describes humanity's continuing effort. C and D already fit. Question 16. Global including for sustainability, initiatives reforestation, signal a safeguard commitment to collective our planet's future. Option A, swap A with D. Option B, swap B with C. Option C, swap A with B, and swap C with D. Option D, swap D with B, and swap C with A. Option E, no interchange required. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option C, swap A with B, and swap C with D. Swap A with B, and C with D. The corrected sentence reads, global initiatives for sustainability, including reforestation, signal a collective commitment to safeguard our planet's future. Each restored phrase is both grammatical and logically connected. Question 17. Innovative educational tech, from virtual classrooms to interactive apps, is reshaping learning, offering dynamic and personalized experiences. Option A, swap D with B, and swap C with A. Option B, swap A with D. Option C, swap B with C. Option D, swap A with B, and swap C with D. Option E, no interchange required. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option E, no interchange required. No interchange is required. Innovative educational tech, from virtual classrooms, reshaping learning, and personalized experiences are already natural expressions. Every labeled word is in the position demanded by the sentence. Question 18. Artificial intelligence transforms healthcare with precise diagnostics and personalized treatments, era in a new ushering of medical advancements. Option A, swap A with B, and swap C with D. Option B, swap A with C, and swap B with D. Option C, swap C with D. Option D, swap A with D. Option E, no interchange required. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option C, swap C with D. Swap C and D. The final clause must read, ushering in a new era of medical advancements. Ushering in is the fixed expression for introducing a new period, and era belongs after new. A and B are already correct. Question 19. Match column I with column 2 and choose the combination that forms a meaningful sentence. As the orchestra played, the harmonious setting off on an impromptu journey, they honored the classroom buzzed with intellectual curiosity that a well-prepared meal brings to the table at home can open up the magical world hidden treasures, crafting indelible memories. Option A, C with E, and A with D. Option B, B with F. Option C, B with D, and C with F. Option D, A with E. Option E, none of the above. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B, B with F. Only B joins correctly with F. The complete sentence is, setting off on an impromptu journey, they unearthed hidden treasures, crafting indelible memories. The other fragments combine orchestras or classrooms with meals, homes, or treasures in ways that are incomplete or illogical. Question 20. Match column I with column 2 and choose the combination that forms a meaningful sentence. Amidst challenges, a glimmer of hope emerged. Beneath the starlit sky, the rhythmic sounds of before sleep, dreams painted vibrant landscapes echoing the timeless beauty of nature's embrace of unexplored possibilities and aspirations while mysteries that once seemed vulnerable. Option A, C with E. Option B, B with D, and A with E. Option C, C with D, and B with F. Option D, A with F. Option E, none of the above. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A, C with E. Only C joins correctly with E. The result is, before sleep, dreams painted vibrant landscapes of unexplored possibilities and aspirations. The remaining pairings leave incomplete phrases such as sounds of echoing or combine ideas that do not logically follow. Question 21. Identify the statements in which the phrasal verb is used correctly. The phrasal verb is bring up. Listen carefully, bring up. 1. She decided to bring up the issue of salary during the meeting. 2. They had to bring up the old furniture from the basement. 3. Her grandparents brought her up after her parents passed away. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, both 1 and 3. Option E, all 1, 2, and 3. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D, both 1 and 3. Statements 1 and 3 use bring up correctly. It can mean mention a subject, as in bringing up salary, or raise a child, as in grandparents bringing her up. For moving furniture from a basement, use bring or carry up, not this phrasal verb. Question 22. Identify the statements in which the phrasal verb is used correctly. The phrasal verb is look after. Listen carefully, look after. 1. She stayed home to look after her younger brother. 2. The manager promised to look after the complaints personally. 3. He wanted to look after the documents before signing the contract. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, both 1 and 3. Option E, all 1, 2, and 3. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Statements 1 and 2 are correct. Look after can mean care for a person or take responsibility for handling a matter. It does not mean examine documents. That action would be expressed as look over or review. Question 23. Read the digital payment passage carefully. In recent years, China's economy has expanded rapidly, with consumer spending playing a pivotal role. From groceries to luxury items, nearly every purchase now passes through digital payment gateways such as Alipay and WeChat Pay. These platforms have revolutionized the financial landscape, providing convenience and speed. However, beneath this innovation lies a growing concern: the overcharging practices of these payment firms. Merchants across sectors have complained that the transaction fees are often higher than advertised. Small firms, in particular, feel the burden, as they rely heavily on digital payments to stay competitive in a market where cash is steadily declining. Many local businesses, unable to bear the pressure of mounting costs, have folded within months of adopting these systems. This blank-how dependence on a few gateways can distort fair competition. A recent report highlights that while international credit card companies charge between 1% and 3% per transaction, some Chinese gateways impose hidden charges that push the effective rate even higher. The issue is not just about percentages. Merchants also face delays in settlement, mandatory promotional times, and penalties for using alternative platforms. These tactics create an environment where firms have little choice but to comply. Interestingly, consumers remain largely unaware of the scale of overcharging because the extra costs are often folded into the final prices of goods and services. In a way, the weather of the broader economy, rising inflation, slowing exports, and unpredictable growth makes these charges even harder to digest. Instead of encouraging financial freedom, these practices contribute to a sense of dependency on a few dominant players. Observers warn that if unchecked, this trend could harm innovation in the long run. The monopolistic grip of payment giants not only squeezes small firms but also discourages new entrants from experimenting with alternative solutions. Unless greater transparency and regulatory oversight are introduced, the promise of a seamless digital economy may end up costing more than it delivers. Now answer the first question. What is the central irony described in the passage regarding digital payment gateways in China? Option A. Consumers believe digital platforms are free, though they are highly profitable. Option B. Platforms intended to help small merchants are instead contributing to their collapse. Option C. China developed digital payment systems for rural areas, but they are only used in cities. Option D. Regulatory authorities fail to notice the dominance of platforms like Alipay and WeChat Pay. Option E. Consumers benefit more than merchants due to government subsidies on transactions. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B. Platforms intended to help small merchants are instead contributing to their collapse. The irony is that payment gateways were expected to make business easier, yet their fees and restrictions can force small merchants to close. That reversal between the promised benefit and the actual harm is captured only by option B. Question 24. How does the overall state of the economy affect the problems caused by digital payment platforms, according to the passage? Option A. It helps small merchants adapt faster to digital systems. Option B. It makes overcharging practices more acceptable to the public. Option C. It increases the burden of overcharging due to financial pressures like inflation. Option D. It incentivizes payment firms to reduce fees. Option E. It drives consumers away from digital platforms. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option C. It increases the burden of overcharging due to financial pressures like inflation. Inflation, slowing exports, and uncertain growth already put businesses under pressure. Hidden payment charges become harder to absorb in that environment. The economy therefore intensifies the burden. It does not make the charges more acceptable or encourage firms to reduce them. Question 25. Which of the following statements can be inferred to be true based on the passage? 1. Digital payment systems were initially perceived as tools to improve financial accessibility. 2. Delays in settlement and penalties are part of the challenges faced by merchants using Chinese digital payment platforms. 3. Consumers have protested en masse against overcharging practices by payment firms. Option A. Only 1. Option B. Both 1 and 2. Option C. Only 3. Option D. Both 1 and 3. Option E. All 1, 2 and 3. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B. Both 1 and 2. Statements 1 and 2 are supported. The platforms were presented as convenient tools that improved access and speed, while merchants later faced settlement delays and penalties. Statement 3 is unsupported because the passage says consumers are largely unaware of the overcharging, not that they protested against it. Question 26. Which of the following statements is false according to the passage? 1. The majority of consumers are well informed about the extra transaction charges added by payment firms. 2. The convenience of digital payments has completely eliminated financial dependency on dominant platforms. 3. All Chinese digital gateways charge uniformly between 1% and 3% per transaction. Option A. Only 1. Option B. Only 2. Option C. Both 1 and 2. Option D. Both 1 and 3. Option E. All 1, 2, and 3. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option E, all 1, 2, and 3. All three statements are false. Consumers are mostly unaware of the extra charges. Dependence on dominant gateways has increased rather than disappeared. The 1 to 3% figure describes international card companies. Chinese gateways may add hidden fees beyond that range. Question 27. Choose the most suitable word for the given blank. Option A, informs. Option B, produces. Option C, change. Option D, highlights. Option E, payment. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D, highlights. The collapse of local businesses demonstrates the danger of depending on only a few gateways. Highlights means makes that danger clear or prominent, so it fits both the grammar and the intended meaning. Question 28. Choose the word that can best replace the word weather in the passage. Option A, atmosphere. Option B, condition. Option C, climate. Option D, situation. Option E, storm. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option D, situation. Weather is being used metaphorically for the economy's overall circumstances, inflation, exports, and uncertain growth. Situation preserves that broad meaning without suggesting literal climate or a single storm. Question 29. Which of the following is the most appropriate synonym of firms in the context of the passage? Option A, companies. Option B, holds. Option C, contracts. Option D, stubborn. Option E, customers. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option A, companies. In the passage, firms are business organizations affected by payment charges. Companies is a direct contextual synonym. The other choices refer to agreements, actions, qualities, or customers. Question 30. In the sentence, what is the most suitable synonym for folded? Option A, expanded. Option B, closed. Option C, shrunk. Option D, evolved. Option E, joined. The timer starts now. You can pause the video and solve the question before the answer is revealed. The correct answer is option B, closed. The businesses folded because mounting costs made continued operation impossible. Here the word means shut down or closed, not physically folded, reduced in size, or reorganized. Thanks for watching Daily Learning Capsule. Keep practicing, and please like, share, and subscribe to Learning Adda for more previous year bank exam questions.